How to download any Facebook video to your gallery. In this short video, I'm going to show you how you can download any video from Facebook to your gallery without the use of a third-party app or any strange websites. Okay, straight into it. So first, open up the Facebook app and then find a video that you would like to download. So for example, this one. Next, under the video, click on Share. And then click on More Options. And then click on Copy. So you're going to copy the link to this video. Next, open up Google Chrome. And then paste that link in the top. And here you go, it's taking you to this video. Okay, so next what you want to do is again click on the link at the top and copy the link. Next, paste it back into the search bar at the top. Then what you want to do is go to the beginning of the link. So I'm just going to scroll right to the left. Okay, so now I'm at the very left of the link, as you can see. So what you want to do is where it's got the M just before the Facebook, the M dot, so just tap in next to the M. Then after the M, type in the word basic, B-A-S-I-C. Then hit enter. And as you can see, it's taking you to another website with this video that you want to download. So just click on that video. And again, it's going to open up a new tab with the video in the new tab. Here we are. And then on the video, you can see in the bottom right, there's the three little dots. Click on that one. And then you can click on download. Now it's downloading the file. And now the file's been downloaded. So if I click on open, I can now watch that video and it's saved on my phone. And that's all it takes to download any Facebook video into your gallery without the use of a third-party app. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you liked the video, subscribe to my channel, and let me know in the comments if this worked for you. Thanks for watching.